Yeah, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Fine. I am fine. Be ready with your classworks. I think first lesson completed, right? Evolution of computers. Completed. Notes also completed, I think, right? Course books, have you all completed? Everybody have the books? Did you all purchase the books, Amma? Everybody is having books, course books? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So completed.
Yes,
So course books also completed, right?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Why is that no? Manaswin, you don't have?
No, ma'am.
Books you are not purchased.
No, ma'am.
When you'll purchase?
I don't know, ma'am.
Then how? I mean, have you written the notes yesterday's?
Ma'am?
Manaswini, did you write the notes?
Yes, ma'am.
You have written the notes? Okay. Yeah. We'll go for the next topic, right? Going to the new topic, right? Yes, coming to your new topic, that is
Started, ma'am.
uh-huh.
Yeah, really, ma'am. That is sending guns something, ma'am.
Who is that chatting on the this thing? When the class is going on, what is the need of chatting? Concentrate on class, not on your friends. Is it clear, everyone? Ashank, first of all, I am warning you. And yes, Shishira, what happened? Tell me. Shishira, tell me what happened. What happened? Many doubts? Why did you raise your hands? I can't hear you. Speak loudly. It's in full only, ma. The volume is completely full. Still, you can't hear me, Lasya?
Ma'am, I have doubt about this primary memory.
Yes, ask me.
Primary memory.
Yes, ask me. What doubt you are having? Ask.
Primary memory, ma'am. I didn't understood.
You did not understand primary memory. Okay. Okay, right. So, am I audible to you all?
Memory.
Amma?
Yes, ma'am. Second memory also, ma'am.
Yeah, everything I will explain once again. Yes.
Topic
Yes. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So clearly listen once again. I am sharing the screen. Okay. See here.
Ma'am, I can't. Ma'am, I can't hear you, ma'am.
Who is this?
Ma'am, Manaswini.
Everybody can listen to me. Why can't you? I mean, see from your side only something will. Yes. Check your audio once. Okay. Now, quiet everyone. See here. I told you computer memory is like a human brain which is used to store the information, right? Now, and there are two types of, last year, listen carefully. There are two types of memory, primary memory and secondary memory, right? And in primary memory, again, that is divided into two, random access memory, RAM, and read-only memory, ROM. Whereas secondary memory, hard disk, pen drive, USB, and CD, DVD, they are all comes under secondary memory. Now, what is this primary memory? Primary memory means it is a actually that is the main memory of the computer. Whatever the information we enter or whatever the data we enter, that first goes into the primary memory because it is a main memory, right? Clear? And the data will be stored temporarily. Temporarily means till we process that, the data uh, will be stayed there only, right? It is not primary memory. Permanent memory. Primary memory is not permanent. It is only for the temporary. It works on temporary basis. The data remains only temporarily in primary memory. And what are the two types of primary memory? The random access memory and read-only memory. Random access memory is RAM. It is a volatile memory. Volatile memory means when the means after we have entered the information, right? When we shut down the system, whatever the information that day we have entered, that will be lost. That is why the random access memory is called volatile memory. It is random. A random access memory is a temporary memory. I told you it is known as volatile memory because once a computer is shut down, all the information we entered will be lost. So that is why it is called
Primary.
volatile memory. What is volatile means? The temporary information will be erased immediately after the computer is shut down. Means only the memory remains in the computer till the computer is on. Once the computer is shut down, the in whatever the information is there, that will be lost in random access memory, RAM, right?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
once we enter the information, and when the shutdown, the computer is shut down, again if we want to start the computer, it will be blank. The whatever the RAM memory will be blank. Clear? Now read only memory. Opposite to random access memory, read-only memory is non-volatile, because even if the computer is shut down, whatever the information is typed, that remains in the memory. That is why it is called permanent memory. RAM is not permanent memory. ROM is permanent memory. But in ROM, we cannot add or make changes because it is permanent. Because the information is stored permanently, we cannot change the data, or we cannot add anything extra in the read only memory. That is only for reading, not for writing. Writing means you will not write in that. Writing in the sense we cannot modify the data even if you want to change in the read only memory, right? And information, whatever the information we give, that will be stored permanently in read only memory. Clear? Now
Okay,
what secondary memory means? Primary memory, why do we use secondary memory? Coming to I told you example, pen drive. Why do we use pen drive?
because to save something,
What to save?
movies.
Yeah, means original copies we are copying into the pen drive, because even if we don't have the original copies, or when we even if we lost the original copies, the copy will be remained safely in the pen drive. That is why we will take the copies, right?
అంటే మళ్ళీ అడిగినట్టు మళ్ళీ ఎన్ని ప్రాబ్లం అయింది ప్రైమరీ
Yes.
మెమరీ అంటే ఒకసారి
Yeah, secondary memory is which is stored where we store the information permanently. In pen drive, even if we copy, it stores permanently in the pen drive only. We cannot erase it, right? Clear, my everyone? Right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
secondary memory, the data is stored in secondary memory permanently. But the difference is in primary memory, whatever the data we enter, that is processed directly by the CPU. The CPU will process the data whatever is entered into the primary memory. But whereas in secondary memory, the data is directly not processed by the CPU. First, the data will enter into the primary memory, then the data will be processed by the CPU in secondary memory. Clear? Examples are hard
అంటే
disk
మన వాయిస్ అంతా వినిపిస్తుంది
and examples are CD, pen drive, everything comes under secondary memory. Clear, everyone? Now, any doubts in this? Next topic is also memory only for you. I will means you have still more. I mean about the memory. In ROM also we have types. In secondary memory also, not in secondary memory, ROM. There are so many types of ROMs. So the next topic is covered. Whatever the extra topics are there, they are covered in the week 3. This is week 2, right? So in week 3 also you are having about memory only, means extension of this topic, right? There I will explain you one more, types of ROMs. So there are so many types of ROMs. So that I will cover in week 3. Now this is week 2 completed about only primary memory and some little bit information about secondary memory. Is it clear, everyone? Now you take the screenshot or you will write that depends on you. Take this, whatever I am sharing now.
Ma'am, will you send this in MCB?
What?
Ma'am, will you send this in MCB?
No,
MCB.
you take the screenshots.
Ma'am, I'm using laptop, ma'am. I can't take screenshot.
You have mobile?
Yes, ma'am.
Take the photo. Snap. Take the picture of this.
Ma'am, I'm using iPhone, no screenshot.
So those who have taken, they share with the others. Okay?
Ma'am, wait, ma'am. Wait.
I'm not doing
1
anything.
second, ma'am.
Right. Yeah, this also you take. Examples of primary memory and examples of secondary memory. And these true or false. Clear, everyone? Yes, everyone. I'll share it through MCP also, ma. Okay? Joseph. Right? Am I audible to you all? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I will send this through MCP also, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And write in your notes. Yesterday, did madam send anything, shared anything? Something I gave you to write. Did you receive? You have written that. You have written about all the generations. I told one table I have created and I have sent. Did you all write?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes,
Who is that? No?
Vishnu.
Why Vishruth? You did not receive?
No.
You did not receive it? Then how did they receive? Lasya, have you written, Anna?
Yes, ma'am.
Arnita?
Ma'am, I also wrote ma'am yesterday.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Arnita?
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Who is that? Ritvik.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Don't shout.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Don't shout, Ritvik.
Ma'am, I can't hear you. Ma'am, I can't hear you. Ma'am, I can't hear you.
it yet. Yes, those who have not written yesterday's, write it. Check it from others. You can share other those who have written. Just share with the others those who did not write. And these two also you have to write. Tomorrow I will check. Right? I'm leaving the meeting. Bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am.